Hi there, my name is Bill George, lead data wrangler here at Riva, and I'm here to give you a quick tour of some of the tools in the amazing toolbox that is Riva for Revenue Operations. Our product and engineering teams created this solution to deliver some serious data ops horsepower to ops and IT leaders in large organizations. This solution bundles a few key features of the Riva engine together. Not only do you get our powerful and highly configurable sync, but your end users can also get our Insight sidebar to bring CRM into their communications platforms like Outlook. So enough with the preamble, let me begin the show and tell. Welcome to my demo environment. Now, there are a lot of tools in the RevOps toolkit today, from a whole host of automations to our RevOps sidebar and the embedded bookings functionality. I'll focus on some of my favorites, most of which happen using Riva Insight, our revenue ops sidebar. So today, I'll show you how to create contacts, how to add meeting availability through our new bookings feature, how to update Salesforce as you're sending an email using track and send, and how easy it is to get up to speed on where a customer is in their journey without ever having to leave Outlook. Which is my system of action. And finally, using Insight Notes to improve transparency around meeting outcomes in CRM. So let's start with contact creation. Let's say I'm in a top of funnel position in my company, like a business development rep here at the First Bank of Mars, an investment bank. And I deal with new leads and contacts all the time. So as we look at this email from Diego, the CEO of Weekend Kicks, a fast-growing retail company that we're interested in, a simple glance over at Riva Insight shows that his colleague, Brandy, their new CFO, is not a contact in Salesforce right now, which means that the conversation will not get logged into CRM. So the first thing I want to do is create Brandy as a contact right here and right now in CRM using Insight's contact creation. So to do that, I'm going to click on this add icon over here, and I'm going to fill in all the details. And we'll call her CFO. And I should put her to the right account, obviously, and a movie-worthy phone number. There we go. And I can finish all that by clicking create, clicking create. And there we go. We have created her in CRM, and therefore any of our new or any activities past this point will sync to that newly created contact in CRM. So now that we've done that, we can see that I've drafted up a response to Diego's introduction to Brandy. Now, of course, my mission here is to get a meeting out of this email. So I'm going to go ahead and use another tool in the Riva for RevOps toolkit, Riva Bookings. It lets me offer up my calendar availability so that Brandy and Diego can book a call with me at their convenience. So simply by clicking book, I can insert my available times into this email. And when Brandy and Diego book a time with me, that event will sync from my Outlook calendar over to Salesforce automatically. So let's quickly just take a look at what that looks like. So I click on book, insert my availability. There we go. Got that all good to go. Now, from there, I can leverage Riva Sync to curate and unify this data in relation to both Diego and Brandy, but also to the Weekend Kicks account using send and track. So in order to do that, I'm just going to go to track. We see we got the account, and I don't have to delay this at all. And so really all I have to do at this point is send and track. And there we go. We got that all taken care of. And thanks to the Riva for RevOps toolkit, I don't have to waste time worrying about data completeness or data quality in CRM. Because that email has been tracked, now any subsequent replies from Diego or Brandy, they are going to log automatically because of that initial email that I synced. Let's take a look at another scenario. Let's say I'm an associate at First Bank of Mars who has a meeting with Weekend Kicks. I'm going to use Insight to surface all of the relevant Salesforce history, all while I'm still in Outlook. All I got to do is go to my recent events, and we can see all my emails. And we got some meetings there, so this is good. There definitely has been contact with this customer. Now, another thing I should probably look into as I prepare for the meeting is to see if there are any open deals. So, thanks to Insight's data quality prompts, and we'll go here, go into my opportunities. The data quality prompts we can see right here. I can see that there's basically an overdue opportunity. There's an overdue close date, essentially. I'll add this to the agenda for the call and make sure to update the record once I have more information. Now, let's fast forward, and we'll say it was a great meeting. Weekend Kicks, they confirmed that they're opening a new retail location, but it's been delayed by a month. So the deal is still on, but just pushed out by a month. So all I'm going to do is use the edit feature on the opportunity in Insight to push the close date out. So go to edit and just go to my my little calendar right here, and we'll push that out by we'll give it to the very end of the month and click update, and there we go. That is successfully updated in CRM. Now, I'm also going to use Insight's meeting notes feature to document the highlights of our meeting and track all of this to CRM so my managing director and other teammates can quickly get up to speed with today's meeting. So again, click on track. Go down to our meeting notes. Oops. There we go. So I've got the notes in place. Again, just like what we saw before with the email, all I have to do is click send and track, and all those records will be updated appropriately. Now, another cool feature of Insight is if for some reason I do need to get into Salesforce, I can leverage Insight's many view in CRM links, and it will take me right to the relevant pages in Salesforce. So in this case, if I go to Weekend Kicks and I click open, that will take me directly to that account record in Salesforce, like we see right here. You'll find those view in CRM links basically against contacts, accounts, opportunities, cases if you're working with cases, custom objects if you need to. So kind of a cool feature. And there we have it. With the Riva for RevOps toolkit, your go-to-market team gets to perform many Salesforce-related actions in their preferred system of action, Outlook. You get a unified 360-degree view of the customer stored in CRM, your revenue system of record, and built-in prompts to help end users improve data quality and data trust. Senior leadership gets reliable and up-to-date details for revenue planning and acceleration, and the entire organization benefits from improved productivity. If you'd like to see more of what Riva for Revenue Operations or any of our other revenue data solutions can do, Please book some time with me or someone from my team using the chat function here at rivaengine.com. Thank you.